To set up Do Not Disturb mode in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into the notification options, and then you can find Do Not Disturb mode. After entering it, first option will allow you to turn it on and off, and based on the second option right here you'll see different thing. So currently, as you can see, if I click to enable Do Not Disturb mode, I get this window where I can choose that I can enable it until I turn it off manually, or enable it for a certain amount of time that we can select. You can click on for how long, and then choose if you want to see that window with ask every time, enable it always for 1 hour or a certain amount of time, or always until you turn it off. So now if I go here, I should be able to turn it on and off, and there's no window. Then when we have that established, we can go to schedule. In schedule you'll be able to adjust the time where Do Not Disturb mode will toggle on automatically. You can click on this plus button and set the name for your schedule, adjust which days it should work for, and adjust the time when it should start and end. Then there's the allowed things during Do Not Disturb mode. That means the things that will bypass Do Not Disturb mode and send you notifications. So we have calls and messages. If you enter it, you can first select allow during Do Not Disturb mode calls and messages from selected contacts, or all except selected contacts. With both of the options, I think you get the meaning of them. You can add contacts that will either be used or not used for exceptions. Then we can, with the first option, we can also allow calls from all contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. We can enable or disable repeated callers. If somebody tries to call you within 15 minutes, then the call will go through. And messages also from all contacts only or favorite contacts only also. Then there's app notifications. You can allow which apps or allow which apps except those apps selected right here will be able to disrupt. So you can go and add the apps from the list. And then there's alarms and sounds, and you can do the same thing to just turn on and off which things will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. And lastly, there's hide notifications. When the screen is on, you can hide full screen notifications, and when the screen is on, you can hide app icon badges, hide from a notifications panel, don't show pop-up notifications, and hide status bar icons. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.